guys, we're Haley and Jordan. Welcome to our channel.
What's up, guys? So today we are diving into a makeup video. Like, what? And we're actually going to be testing out the Urban Decay Born to Run collection palette?
Collection palette. There's
actually
a palette and then there's a few other like lip products and everything that came with the collection. But we're really excited about it. If you guys follow us on Instagram, you probably saw us post a few things like swatches and whatnot. But today we're actually going to get into the palette.
But we're going to try to do some new and different looks today because every time we try to do something like this, it ends up being the same thing we always do. So we're branching out today.
Yeah, so the first thing I will say about the palette is it's nice. It's heavy. It's got like, you know, it's got good structure to it. It has so many freaking good colors in it. So like they pretty much nailed it with their color scheme here. So we're going to do two completely different looks and we're just going to jump right in and begin and kind of just see how these colors really perform.
Okay, so the first color that I'm going to go in with is the color in the palette called Still Hot. I'm going to try to put this in a little bit like in my inner corner, but in the crease.
And I'm going to go in with the color Breakaway, which is kind of like a bone color. I love starting my eyeshadows with just kind of like a neutral base color. And I think I'm going to stick with like a more of like a green blue look today, which is something I never ever do, but these colors were just calling my name, so that's the look I'm going to go for today. So I'm going to go in with the color Baja, which is kind of like a brick red orange color. And I'm going to start this in my transition area.
Okay, so I'm going to move on. I have that color like kind of in my inner corners there. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the color Baja, which is like a orange color. And I'm just going to use that in the middle of my crease here. Ooh, that is pigmentation.
And it blends so nicely.
It really does. It's really, I literally barely even touched it and it's already like fully blended, which is super nice because sometimes I take 10 hours to blend. Like, who's with me?
Okay, so next I'm going with the shade Riff, which is a nice chocolatey brown color. I just put that right over the color I was just going in with.
Okay, so now with the same brush, because I literally use the same brush for like the entire look for all my looks, I'm gonna go in with Hell Ride, which I'm terrified to go in with, but I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna go in with it. It's kind of like a purple shade.
Very purple.
Very purple, so I'm just trying a little bit first and I'm gonna build it up and then I'm gonna go in and put this like on my outer corners a little bit, so it's actually really pretty. It blends really nicely with these colors. That's what's great about a palette that has like complementary colors in it. So I feel like they blend together way better.
They go together, yeah.
I feel like I'm getting somewhere here, you guys. Do you feel like you're getting somewhere?
This is gonna be one of my best looks I've ever done.
This is gonna be my best look ever.
Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the color Big Sky. This is like a, what is this? Like an aquamarine teal color. It's so freaking gorgeous, and I'm gonna
pretty.
Hit the lid. I might have to spray this color, but let's see how it performs. Oh, this was wow! Look how pretty this is.
Wow.
And honestly, like you really don't even need to go in with anything. Actually, let me try my finger just to see how it performs with my finger. Oh yeah, you get way, way better color payoff with the finger. So either way, whatever you want to do.
Okay, now I'm going to go in and deepen this up a little bit because I'm going crazy here, you guys. I'm going in with the color Punk. It's basically a super dark brown. I think it has a little tiny undertone of like purple in there, so I think it's going to like mesh. And I'm only going to take this and put it like on my outer V corner, just like a little bit.
Oh wow!
Wow! Your blue looks so great.
Doesn't it look great?
It's phenomenal.
And so, by the way, I'm just focusing like this teal color in the middle of my lid because I'm going to use other colors on the inner and outer corner. But I definitely like the payoff with my finger much better than a brush. This is freaking gorgeous.
I feel like colors like that always do better just on the finger. I'm not sure why. They just pick up better for me. So I'm taking this dark brown and I'm just gonna go for it, you guys. And I'm gonna focus it more like on the lid too.
And then I'm gonna go in with the color Stranded, which is a really beautiful shimmery gold color. And I'm gonna put this color on the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with a brush with this one and actually just spray it with a little bit. The collection came with a just a makeup setting spray. This is the All Nighter. Just gonna spray it a little bit.
I can't tell if I just ruined this or not, but you know, let me get there.
Let me see.
This brown.
No, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I think you should go in with Wild Heart too.
Oh, I'm taking it there. You'll see. You'll see. Okay, so now I'm going to take my finger and I think I'm going to do something with the lid. I feel like I need like a shiny, sparkly moment, so I think I'm going to do a little bit of the color Ignite, and then take a little bit on another finger, the color Blaze Your Stranded.
Blaze.
Blaze?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to do both. I'm going to take Blaze and then Stranded. I'm going to put all three of them on my lid. Let's just see how this goes. Ooh! That one is really freaking pretty, you guys.
They're gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to move on. I'm going to go in with the color Wanderlust or Radio.
Ooh, let me look.
Radio. Right?
Oh, yeah, for sure, Radio.
Okay, so I'm going to go in with Radio because I got Haley's opinion. It's like a really beautiful, like, blue jewel color. It's like, I'm obsessed with this. And I'm going to just keep this right in the corner, like I said, and kind of do almost like a little bit of a V motion with it.
Wow. Okay, so now, what am I going to do now? I think I'm going to take another brush. Like, what? That's crazy.
You're obsessed with this color.
Stop. What are you, like a freaking majestic mermaid?
Yes. And then I'm going to kind of just blend that just slightly into that middle tier color.
Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of Wild Heart, which is kind of like Hell Red. It's like a crazy bright purple. And I'm going to take it on this like skinny brush, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. I hope this doesn't ruin everything, you guys, but I'm trying it.
So we were recently just back home. We're from Southern California in Palmdale. If you guys don't know it, look it up. It's a great, great town. But we were just recently there visiting our dad. We went to Santa Monica Pier. We went to
fun.
Six Flags Magic Mountain. Like, it was such a great time. So if you guys want to catch up, we actually...
Ooh, we even saw our brother who's on tour right now with Smashing Pumpkins.
Which is so crazy.
Literally, guys, I think that was one of our best vlogs. I had the time of my freaking life editing it. It was amazing. We'll link it down below if you guys want to go watch it. We just uploaded it.
Yeah, it's a fun one. So we actually have uploaded a few vlogs recently. So if you want to catch up, go there, because that's where we post, like in our vlogs, that's like where you're seeing us living like our real life, what we're doing, like behind the scenes, when we go home, when we do anything fun is in our vlogs. So definitely go back and catch up on those. There's like quite a few.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay, so I'm absolutely loving the way this look is turning out. I'm gonna go back in with the color Riff, one of those first colors that we started with. And I'm just going to go back and take this in the crease and just make sure that everything is nice and blended and kind of just give myself a little bit more depth.
Yeah, and I'm just kind of going in. I'm doing everything that I did on my top crease kind of on the bottom in order, if that makes sense. If you guys want to see, like, I don't know, more like legitimate tutorials, like an actual where you can see me close up, let us know. We'll start doing more tutorials for you guys.
Yeah,
like, I just kind of wanted to show like how these work right now.
Exactly. Okay, so I think I'm ready to go in with my bottom lash line, and just like Haley, I'm going to use a combination of the same colors that I did on my lid. It's typically what I do, so I'll go in with Riff, with Baja, probably a little bit of Big Sky and Radio. Let's just go for it.
This is actually the best song of all time.
Love it.
Okay, now I think I'm almost done here. I think I'm going to take just a little bit of the Breakaway, which is pretty much just like a standard kind of like white brow bone color, and I'm going to put it, what do you know, on my brow bone.
I want to do that when you're done with that. Okay, I'm also going to take one of their eyeliners. I'm not sure if this is a new color or if this just came with this collection, but it's one of their 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencils, and this is in the shade Overdrive. It's basically like a green teal color, which I think will go perfect with this look right now. And I'm just going to put this right on my waterline, on my bottom lash line.
Oh, I need inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of the color Stranded, since it is kind of like a highlight color, and I'm just going to highlight my inner corners really quickly. And then I think I'm pretty much almost done with my eyeshadow.
Okay, so I think I'm pretty much done with my eyeshadow look. Honestly, you guys, I'm so obsessed with the way this turned out. Like, this is not what I normally do. Like, I don't know why I don't.
It looks so great.
I don't know why I don't jump outside of the box more.
I forgot to put on eyeliner.
You need this one.
Okay, I'm gonna stop mid-mascara-ing, and I'm gonna quickly throw on some waterline eyeliner. This is the 24/7, what a color is this? Rockstar, of course. Ooh, this is really creamy.
They glide on so nice.
They really do. I wasn't expecting that.
All right, so now that our eyes are done, before we give you our full review of what we think of the eyeshadow palette, we're gonna go in with some lipstick. I think I'm gonna go in with the color 66, and then I'm gonna go in with one of the sparkly ones.
Oh my gosh, you know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna go crazy.
Are you?
Yeah.
Do it.
Okay, I'm gonna do, I feel like I wanna do like the same thing almost.
Do whatever you want.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit of the color 66, I think.
Love the color too. It's
beautiful.
Like so beautiful. And then I'm gonna go in with, I already picked it earlier. This is in the shade Aphrodisiac.
That one is my favorite one of them.
Are these ones from the Aphrodisiac collection and not the Born to Run collection?
Yes.
I think they actually
are. They are, because they didn't come in this pure.
They didn't. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go for it anyways. So this one has kind of like a purpley, but when you move it, it's almost like greeny, bluey. So I figured it'd go good with my look.
So I'm gonna take the same color 66, and I'm going to basically just put this everywhere really quickly too. Oh wow.
This one smells minty. I feel like every lip gloss type of product that I've used recently, even if it doesn't say, has that mint peppermint plumping effect to it. So
love that. I love that.
The new thing.
It should be, because like I love it.
Okay, so I think I'm just gonna kind of tap this color more like in the center of my lips, just to make them look a little bit more lush. I don't think I'm gonna do it on like the entire lip.
Gorgeous. Okay, so now that I got 66 on, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Metallized Ready color, and I'm going to put just a little bit of this in the middle of this color, you guys.
This is fun.
Bitch.
Love it.
Yes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger, do a little tap, 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 kind of tap off the excess there, and then just a teeny bit, I'm going to go in with one of these sparkle glosses. Which one helps us to out? Use this one?
Yeah, do this one, because it looks
okay, I'm going to go in with this one. This one is the color Tongue Tied.
Oh, I like that. Well, she's tongue. I'm going to go in with the setting spray. This is the All Nighter. I'm just going to hit my face with a few splashes and dashes.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. And look at this. Look at this.
Oh, you took it there.
I like the sprayer on that.
Love
That's
it.
nice.
My hair creased for my headband.
Okay. I think we're done. Are we done?
I think that's...
Wow, stunning.
We look like whole new people. So we're gonna give you just our quick opinion of everything that we just used. So I think we're both in agreement here that we would highly recommend this palette. Again, it's the Urban Decay Born to Run palette.
Colors are beautiful. You can do all kinds of looks. But yeah, palette, 10 out of 10. Freaking highly recommend. The lipsticks, so good.
I love them. They're super comfortable.
They're comfortable, nice.
The Hi-Fi Shine, even though it didn't come with the Born to Run collection, still great. I actually feel my lips kind of plumping already, and I just put it in the middle, but you still feel that.
I like this a lot.
The All Nighter setting spray has always been a favorite of ours. It's bomb, so if you guys are looking for something like this, it's a cute travel size too.
The eyeliners too, duh.
The eyeliner looks great. I feel like my eyeliner really took this look to a whole other level. It just like really brightened everything up and made it fun, but I really like this palette because there's so many different color options and you can really play with it and do a really fun, crazy look.
Fun, you guys.
It really is. Like, we need to get more back into playing with makeup because we used to so much and we kind of just like...
We fell off the makeup bandwagon and like got really into skincare, which is great, but now I think we're gonna start like jumping more into like tutorials and like, I don't know, just sitting here and kind of reviewing products like this for you guys. Like, what do you think?
So if there's any new palettes or anything that you want to see us review, I know
collections.
I know the new Jaclyn Hill Vault collections are all the talk right now. So if you guys want to see that, let us know. But if you're looking for something that you can do neutral looks with, crazy look, fun looks, fall looks, get you guys Urban Decay Born This Run palette.
Get yourself a palette. And the rest of the collection, because it was all really great. So if you guys want to see, I don't know, more like chill reviews of us just like trying out some makeup, or even like kind of like more in-depth like makeup tutorials where we should kind of show you how to wear makeup, I don't know, let us know. Leave it in the comments below, you guys.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to our channel. Turn on those bell notifications so that you know every time we post, because we've been posting all kinds of content.
We've been getting it, okay?
Yeah, so we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.